Rar. Rar. Hey guys, I'm so tired still, but we are going on speedboat tour on the lagoon, and I'm so excited. Rar. We are on the jungle tours now, and now we are going to the marine.
Looks good. And this, guys, it's the price is per 2 hours, $55 per person, and we will navigate through the mangroves through the Nichupta Lagoon with those small boats. They look pretty nice, and you can rent one for you or for 2 persons maximum.
Oh no, look at where's the
What?
volante?
Uh-oh. That will be funny.
Now they will register us and we can go.
And here, guys, we have to wear face masks at the beginning, but later without them. So this lady here, she will come and she will register us. Yes. So ready for adventure? Yes. Good. Me too. Okay guys, we start our excursion to mangroves on Lagoon Nichupta
So
with
exciting.
crocodiles.
Oh my god. Oh my
Okay.
god. Please no. No, I'm not doing it.
Don't tell me we have to jump there. Looks like Mission impossible. Oh, you can do it.
How are you supposed to go back? Oh my god, so scary. And look at the side. Oh my god. I will die. We will die.
You will do it. That's funny.
First of all, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jair, or Yayo. My friend is called me Yayo. I am the tour guide in your activity, the mangrove tour. In the mangrove tour, you drive the boat for the lagoon and I show the best places in the lagoon. On the right side, we have buildings, we have malls, we have pirate boats, and we have canals to the mangrove. Into the canals, maybe you see Mexican dragons, Mexican alligators. But if you have lucky, you maybe look at grays and flamings. It's nice. But if you don't have lucky, you maybe see iguanas, orange iguanas, like orange, that color, yellow color is nice too. Well, you go behind to me in this boat, or you go in couple. If you go in 2 people per boat, you go behind me in line. Right? Me go fast, you go fast. Me go slow, you go slow.
Hey guys, we are in the lagoon as I told you. We are on the boat as you can see. It's incredible. We saw flamingos and some birds with nice colors. Now I am trying to see a crocodile. Also, yes, oh my god. There are so much birds and they're so nice. And also the lagoon has so much big like forests that grow on water. And whoa, I thought they were smaller, but they're so big. See you. Located in the east of coast of Cancun, with an area over 3,000 hectares, Nichupta Lagoon is one of the best examples of natural paradise.
represents a large area of natural reserve of mangrove ecosystem in which lives in different animal species. During the tour, you will be able to see turtles, leopard frogs, crocodiles, blue crabs, blue and green lizards, and different types of birds. It is home to more than 160 species. Laguna Nichupte has 7 lakes, among which the Laguna del Amor, Laguna Borges, San Jose, and Laguna Ciega. In its waters, you can practice various activities such as fishing, kayaking, canoeing, skiing, scuba diving, snorkeling. The view from there is amazing, so it's an ideal place to enjoy the Caribbean sunset. In Cancun, there are tours that allow you to visit the mangroves of Laguna Nichupte, or get to know the different types of flora and fauna that live in the jungle, and you can also visit the stunning coral reef. What is mangrove? Mangroves are a type of tropical forest. These woody trees and shrubs live along sheltered shores, rivers and estuaries of 118 tropical and subtropical countries around the world, and regularly flooded by tidal water. Mangroves are the first line of defense for coastal communities. They stabilize shorelines by slowing erosion and provide natural barriers protecting coastal communities from increased storm surge, flooding, and hurricanes. I really recommend coming. We saw flamingos, two crocodiles, a small one and a big one, iguanas on trees with like so strange colors. That's incredible. Oh my god.